So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure we have this quarter circle AOB. So A point is this, O point is this and B point is this. So this is one quarter circle and there are two semicircles. So one is this and another is this. So there are two semicircles also. So we have to find the ratio to red area to blue area. So this is the red area and this is the blue area and we have to find the ratio of these two areas. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can do this. So you see this figure, I divided this whole quarter circle in different parts, and let's say this white color area is A, this is C, this is again similar A, because both semicircles are same and this figure is symmetric. So if this part is A, then this part is also A. We can easily see that because of symmetry. And let's say this part is B. And now let's assume the radius of the quarter circle is 2 times x. And we know this is the diameter of the semicircle and this is also the diameter of the semicircle. So we can do this thing. Let's assume the radius of the semicircle is r. So we can say that 2 times capital R is 2 times x. So radius of the semicircle is this x. So now we know that the radius of the semicircle is x and radius of the quarter circle is 2 times x. Quarter circle is this one. This outer quarter circle you see, this is 1/4 of the full circle. This is our bigger quarter circle and its radius is 2 times x. And these are two semicircles and its radius is x. So now we have this information. So you see this BPO semicircle. So this is B point, this is P point and this is O point, and we can see that this A plus C is equal to this area of the semicircle, which is half times pi times its radius square, which is small x. So this is half times pi times x square. And you also see this quarter circle area we can write like A plus B plus A plus C, which is 2A plus B plus C, which is 1/4 of the pi times the radius of the quarter circle, which is 2x, and this whole square, which is pi times x square. So now we know this 2A plus B plus C, it is pi times x square, and we also know this A plus C is half times pi x square. This A plus C is half times pi x square. So you can put this A plus C value here and you can get the A plus B also as half times pi x square. Now you see this A plus C and A plus B both have the value half times pi x square. So you can equate both of these and cancel A from both sides, and you see B is equal to C. So you see B is this blue area and C is this red area and both are same. So the ratio of both area is 1 to 1. And in this way we can solve this problem.